But yeah, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay. I was playing some League before, we're gonna find it. But yeah, my room is a mess. Basically what was going on is that I was planning on moving again, but since that's not gonna happen, I gotta fix everything back up. So you guys see, this was basically, I left this, a lot of the stuff was placed in other spots, like the blender you can see on the ground. It wasn't really there before. I just placed it there. In the meantime, I have all my light bulbs for filming and stuff. The toaster is there. You can see a bunch of boxes and whatever. But yeah, so we gotta fix everything back up. If you guys are wondering, this is where I shoot my videos. It's the white background. It's right here. This is actually like my kitchen. I place this over and I just scroll it down, and with good lighting, as you guys can see, and I have this light right over here, you can shine it with good lighting and a nice angle. It's just like a pure white background. So that's where you guys see like the white background. Something that was curious. Yeah. So now that I clean this up, pull all my clothes everything away, I'm gonna vacuum, and we're gonna wipe down all my table. So like that over there, my table over here. I already went through my fridge. We're gonna clean on top of this fridge. We're just gonna organize everything back since we are staying. We're gonna make it very nice, neat, and proper. I'm gonna show you guys that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thumb up, thumb up, thumb. My thumbs everywhere. Like crusty looking. You guys are probably wondering why I have this mask on. Actually, because I was changing my vacuum. I just took out all the dust out of my vacuum. So while I was taking it out, it was kind of going everywhere. So because of that, I decided that I would put a mask on just so I don't breathe that stuff in. This is actually quite a bit of work. I don't have a lot of space to work with, and I do have a good amount of stuff. I think we're just gonna do like a little cut for you guys. I don't think you guys wanna watch me clean up my whole apartment. And yeah, we'll be right back. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm still here. So basically, hopefully you hear me properly, but we'll figure it out. It's actually the next day. I did say I was gonna come back when everything was done. Unfortunately, what happened was I was cleaning like for maybe 3 to 4 hours straight at that point. And then what basically ended up happening is I got hungry. I didn't eat all day, and I actually went out for a jog that day. I think I talked about that. And so yeah, so basically it was kind of difficult for me to continue. So I sat down, ate some food, was chilling for a bit, took myself a little break, and then I was actually supposed to be shooting a video as well. And unfortunately that didn't happen. So I ended up coming back home. It was probably like around, I'd say anywhere from like around 6, 7 o'clock-ish, maybe even later. I'm not too sure. And then I was just like, well, you know what? I'm just gonna continue everything tomorrow because there is a lot left that I had to do, a lot that I have planned, and I'm actually gonna show you guys exactly everything that I did so far. Straight, the wall, go straight, and I put it this way on the window. And yeah, I actually took my desk, I shoved it fully into the corner over here. It gave me room for the bookcase. And now what that's gonna do is that when I'm gonna be filming my videos, I actually have an angle like this to shoot from. That's gonna be cool because now I can get like a tighter shot with like some books in there and everything. And just gonna look nicer overall to shoot some videos from this side or even like this. All the clothes as well. I don't know if you guys saw the clothes that I had before that was on the ground and everything. I ended up folding most of it and putting them away. I still have some stuff lying around. My desk is really clean. It's kind of hard to see. Even my keyboard. I even cleaned my keyboard. Everything, my headset, my monitors, the microphone. I wiped everything down. And that's why it's taking a long time. And as you can see, there is already a little bit of dust that's coming back up, but that's fine. That's normal. The bookcase, I do have to remove the bookcase to get all the dust off of the bookcase. As you guys can see, there is dust. Yeah, but everything's coming together pretty well. And we're going to give you guys a little update again in a bit when everything is kind of figured out. Focus on me, bro. Everything's figured out. So I will be back with some more updates for you guys in a bit. Oh my god, man, this has been like a 2-day thing at this point. It's been about 2 days. It's 4:05 p.m. You guys can see that. Maybe you guys see it. Yo, that's so suspect. The camera's like blinking. Kind of suspect, man. That's kind of suspect. I don't know if that's just like I don't know what that is, but if it's Illuminati, it is what it is. Hey guys, this has been about like a 2-day thing at this point. I finally finished cleaning up everything for the most part. There's still some stuff that are laying around. Most of it's like camera equipment and then the garbage that I'm gonna take out right now. But yeah, I'll show you guys exactly everything so far. Yeah, so basically I'll just show you guys everything that I kind of came about so far, and I'm actually very, very happy about it. This is very needed, very necessary. Honestly, this whole video, before I show you guys the rest of the place, this whole video is just to kind of help motivate you guys to get up and to push, especially if you were dealing with like a winter, like at least us over here in Montreal. Depending on where you are in the world, you might not have to deal with winter, and sometimes like at least over here, it's like 4 to 5 months sometimes where it's just like really, really cold. It's always dark. Like it gets dark at 4 o'clock p.m. Like right now, there's still some light out. But if this was like 2-3 months ago, it would already be dark outside. Like you barely could see. Like 5 o'clock, it's like pitch dark. And imagine that, where it's like you don't have much time of daylight in your day. It starts affecting you mentally, and it starts to get harder for you to start to keep being productive. And I think as well, since this whole the issues that have been going on in the world with the gyms closing down due to health and safety regulations, it really, at least for me this year, was really tough. Normally in the past, even if it's winter, I'd still be able to be active, but I was working a job where I was not active and I couldn't really be active. I couldn't really go outside to exercise. There's snow everywhere. Sometimes it's really cold outside, so I don't get to breathe in the air. Some people still do it, but that's not me. I'm not trying to get into any of those types of complications. But as a whole, what I'm trying to say here is that after that subsides, you should really take the time to try to get yourself a nicer reset. And number one thing I would recommend is just cleaning out your apartment, man. Move some stuff around. If you have the space to move your layout and your setup and everything, clean everything. Go deep. Clean under your bed, vacuum, mop, clean up everything that you can, and just give yourself like a nice fresh start. Because honestly, everything is coming back up. Today it's Friday and the gyms are open. Unfortunately, right now I'm not going to be going back. I'll be going back soon. Hopefully by next week I will be going to the gym again, and I do have some future videos about that as well that will help motivate you guys as well and help push the narrative that you got to keep going even when the times are tough. So yeah, I'll show you guys exactly everything that I did. So I'm going to show you guys so far from this angle. I don't know if you guys remember the hallway. This is the hallway. Everything is, like, see, this is the garbage that I have here. I cleaned the table. I have all my mail here that I'm going to have to go through later, and also the picture frames and stuff. The paintings are going to go up, but I want to make sure everything is in a good spot before I placed them. Like this could have been a cool spot if I kept the piano on this wall, but you know, if I'm gonna put a sofa here, then I might put it over the sofa, right? So you gotta, I can't put everything up and then take it down, and then I'm gonna have holes in the wall. I'd rather avoid that. Sorry about the lights, just to keep stuff lit. Like I said, the bed's over here. I definitely want to get like a new sheet set, a complete sheet set for my bed, because this looks kind of stupid, but it is what it is. I got my robe and like a little blanket here for when it's cold. My robe's on the chair, blanket as well. I put a lot of stuff here that I gotta clean up as well. You guys can't really see my desk. A lot of stuff is black, so it kind of blends in, but there's a good amount of stuff right there. I have my Alexa that I gotta set back up. Bookcase. I do want to get a new thing for this. I'm probably gonna buy a full new salt lamp, and then I'm gonna buy a white one, so I can just change between the two lamps if I want like an orange color or white color, whichever. My scale, I'm gonna go buy batteries for that next week. We're gonna start weighing ourselves and go back to the gym. I do all my appliances. The lotion doesn't stay there. I just had a bit for now. Microwave, juicer, toaster, blender, rice cooker, and then boom. Like I'm just washing the stuff. I didn't use my juicer in a while, so I'm just gonna clean it before I start using it again. I put in all my dishes. This is where I store all my stuff, all the food and stuff. It's like placed in pretty neatly. Spice rack and all that stuff. These are the clothes well. Boop, 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 boop. I mopped the floors so they're really nice. You guys can see the little sheen on them. They weren't looking like that before, but now they're looking a little shine on them. And then this carpet just looks lonely here. This is also a tripod for a light. Same one as this one. Like I said, camera equipment, the DJI Ronin is in that bag right there. The Ronin, shout out to Sky. I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched the video. Let me just change something real quick, real quick. 1250, 1600. All right, looks okay. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched the video. I appreciate it. I definitely will be making more videos like this in the future, especially with this new setup. I like it how it is. I'm gonna put a painting up there too, so it's gonna look really cool. Everything's gonna look filled, and it's gonna be interesting to edit these new clips that are coming out. I might even be using this microphone right over here as the audio. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, we'll be definitely making more in the future. Leave a like if you liked it, and comment down below. I want to know, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Super random, but let me know. Ooh, that's actually tough. I think, oof. Because now I have to go to like Baskin Robbins, and like I haven't gone to like an ice cream place in a long time. I'm lactose intolerant anyways, but there's actually a lot of good ice creams. Oof. But let me know. I don't know right now. I have to go back and figure that out. But let me let me know which flavor of ice cream you guys like the most. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.